bed. So what you have to do first, you have to clean, remove everything. But before removing it, you have to sanitize your hands, wear on your gloves. Then you always remember to elevate the bed into your working position to avoid
Strain.
what?
Back
Back pain.
Back
Okay,
strain,
so
back pain.
elevate. Where is the remote? Okay, so this is your remote. Okay, it has been sealed. Okay, so this is the command of your remote. So this is for the foot elevation. Okay, the other one is for the supine position. This one, the second one is for the the level of the height. Okay, so as I told you, you have to raise it to the to your center of gravity, which is your hip, or at least in your navel part. Okay, so I think this is fine. Okay, then you have to flatten the bed. Okay, so once done, just put your remote back. Then remove the pillow, put it there. Then remove the bed sheets or the linens. Okay, folding it inside, rolling it down. Okay, this area is a little bit cleaner than the upper or the front side, so that's why I have to fold it this way. Okay, then put it in the hamper. Sanitize your bed. How are you gonna sanitize it? It's either you have to use your wipes, okay, disinfectant wipes, or you can just do manual cleaning using an alcohol disinfectant. Okay, from the cleanest to the dirtiest part of your bed.
Where's the phone?
Dapat meron tayong DC, yung SMR? SMR ba yun? SMR. Yeah. Okay, then, remove your gloves. Okay. Then, sanitize your hands. Okay, making sure that your items are correct, you have to review it. Okay, you have to say it with me. This is
Mattress protector.
This is
Bottom sheet.
This is
The rubber. The
Cotton
cotton
draw sheet.
draw sheet. Cotton draw
This
sheet.
is
The absorber.
This is
The top sheet.
top sheet and the
Blanket.
Then the
Pillow cases.
Now the question is, did you fold it properly? No.
No.
Yeah? You just what? You just give it to me because I asked you. Okay, now Nero. Okay, again, proper folding. Okay. You have to search where is your bed. Okay, bed is on the left side, so the folding, okay, will be in the left side. Okay, fold. Fold. Then, okay, so, okay na to. This is your
Mattress protector.
mattress protector. Okay. Now, this is your
Bottom sheet.
bottom sheet. Bakit ito madulas to eh? Change mo to. Because this is madulas, so it will not fold later on. Blanket lang. This is not dirty, this is tarnish. So, it will not go. Yan, so... Mga naman to. Again. And... Oh, no shaking. Sorry. Sorry. Ayusin mo kasi mapapangit yung ano natin. Performance mo, babagsak tayo. Hindi tayo mapapasay ng Elnea. Next is, ano to?
Draw sheet.
Draw sheet. Okay, cotton draw sheet. Okay, since you will fold it like this, okay, you have to fold it this way.
Kasi pag ganun siya naman.
This is like using your common sense always. If you're not use your common sense, then it will be hard.
Bakit na po?
Taras.
Sense lang.
Sense of what?
It doesn't
Sense
make,
of responsibility.
it's no sense. No common sense, no sense.
Nonsense. And the
Nonsense.
absorbent part, it is always folded inside. Not outside because you are protecting this one, yeah?
Mm.
So you're always showing this. Anyways. Okay. Then, the
Top sheet.
top sheet. Again, what is the position of the top sheet?
In,
Opposite, yeah? So,
outside,
it will be
in, inside, outside in. Outside in?
inside out.
Labas pasok. Outside in. Outside in.
Kaya sila din matawag.
Okay, then
Safety.
blanket. Blanket will be the same, folding with other linens. Then lastly the pillowcase. Okay. So again, when you carry your linens, okay, you have to carry it away from your uniform. And then when you go inside your room, it should be in order form. So you have to flip it. Okay, and now you can do your
Bed making.
Okay, so bed making. Okay. So, center of your bed. Hindi ko ba nakikita yung likod ko? Ang taba ko dyan. Pag mukhanin yung likod ko. Okay, so center again. This is the center. Then, your partner may take the other half. Okay, so again, I told you, center. Next. What is this?
Bottom.
Bottom sheet.
Bottom sheet. Okay, again, search for the center. Center will be this. Dito ka. Okay, pull. Harder. Okay, again, center of your bed. Why you have to pull it harder or you have to, so, stretches the linen. Wait lang dong. Masyadong mababa. Yes. Okay. Here also is the center. Ayun. Pull. Make sure that this is, no, don't just pull on that side. Pull also on the top. On the Jeez. It goes on. Yes. Okay. Again, avoid wrinkle. Should be wrinkle free.
Problematic
Sige,
yung
anak,
pang.
ganito rin mo rin. Kasi lakas ko eh. Paano na masyado? Yung effort ko eh. Dahan-dahan lang. Wala pang puwersa dito. Suwabe ba? Suwabe. Suwabe.
Slow motion.
sis.
Sige na to.
Yes?
Si Sir po.
Plato?
Sis yun na sa store mo.
Isa, isa?
Ilan ba yan, Guy?
Apat,
Kasi
lima.
tingnan na lang.
Ito na lahat?
Kasama na kami dyan, sir.
Ha?
Kasama na kami dyan.
Oo ba, sige.
Okay. Next is your
Draw sheet.
draw sheet. Draw sheet. Hatak. Malaki kasi to. The other one is big. The other one is small. That's why. Okay. Wrinkle free. Then, what's next? Absorbent pad. Absorbent pad.
Oh, baby.
Oh. And this is the standard actually, but this is just big. I ordered bigger. Ano. Okay, now, starting from the top. Tuck in. I-tuck in mo dyan. Huwag mo angatin. Tuck lang. Tuck.
Yung una.
Oo.
Yan.
Yes, okay. Then, 1, 2, 3,
Triangle.
triangle, tuck in.
Okay.
Hawak-hawak kasi, hawakan mo lang dyan para hindi mag-move. Okay, now it creates a triangle base. So this base will now hold the linen, so it will not move easily. So again, tuck in. You know why I asked him to stay there? Because as I told you, our bed is very light, so it moves easily. Ito ka na naman. Diyan ka na lang. Sige, hawakan mo lang ha para. So, you just have to tap. This is how you gonna tap. You don't need to lift your bed because as I told you, our bed is very light. So when you lift it, everything will go down. Again, on this side. Okay, tap. And then again, count to 3. 3.
3 pound.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Again, triangular. Then, insert. Then, again, tuck. Okay. Now, it will be wrinkled free. Now, go to the other side. Punta na naman doon. Para matapos natin ito. Okay. Coordination with your partner, ha? Okay, again. 1. Because you already have tapped it properly. 1, 2. Then, tuck. Okay, tuck. Then again, miter. Then, tuck again. Careful with the wire. Okay. Tuck. Okay. Then, this area. Okay, this area, you have to make sure to tuck it properly. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. Tuck. Then tuck. Okay, so this is now your bed. Now, you will have to put your what?
Top sheet. Top sheet.
Top sheet. Okay, top sheet. Balik ka doon. Okay, top sheet. Again, center. Natuyok. Center. Good. Okay. But this one now is different because this is your top sheet. So you just have to put a little here. Okay? This height. Center go. Okay? Yeah. This and then this side will be longer. Bottom side will be longer.
To prepare to clean
Then the
blanket.
blanket.
Ganun pala.
Ah. Baliktad ko. Sige, go. Hatak. Uy, wait lang. Hatak. Center, ha? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, make sure that the length of your,
Top sheet.
Top sheet and the length of your blanket is the same. Taas ang pink. Okay, taas ng outlet pink. It's okay. Okay, now going down. Down. Na, 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 na.
May kaldereta.
Ayaw nga na. Kagutom.
Nangangamoy.
Nangangamoy naman.
Nag-lunch na si Sir. Kumain na si Sir. Okay. Then, tuck from the bottom side.
Yung two plate mo. Ah, gagawa
Yung
ba?
two flit, okay, if the doctor asks you to,
Make?
for the two flit, then you will have to give an extra. But if not, okay, just do the usual tucking.
Mm.
Tuck mo dyan dong. Tuck. Tuck. Yeah. Then, small miter, 1 to only.
Mm.
Only tuck from this side and keep the miter. Keep it like that.
Ah.
Okay? Then, hawakan mo yung dalawa dong. Ito. 2. Yung 2. Open. Diba? Okay. Then, let's do the fan fold.
This is the design.
Again. Okay. So this is what? Fan fold. Fold about. But you still did not do the miter that side, huh?
Mm.
Okay. So, this is your
Occupied. Oh, unoccupied. Oh, open, unoccupied.
occupied kayo dyan.
Open and occupied bed.
So this is your
Your bed?
It's not mine. It's not mine.
give me the pillow.
It's my bed, your bed.
This is a bed.
My
Come
bed.
on. Okay, when you're putting the pillowcase, don't put it on the top of your bed because this is already clean and this is a little bit contaminated because it has been used by medication. Okay, so you have to use it. Or,
But they also buy the pillow for the sleep.
Your bed is ready.
actually, in the suite rooms, pillow are provided by the and it will be given to the patient after. But I don't know the public or because they're using different pillow now. They're using this one, that type of pillow, so it will be easy to yeah, it will be easy to disinfect. Personal article, but if you have to know. Okay, putting the pillow. If the door is here, so you have to put this opposite side of the door because it will not look good if the patient will see this or the visitor. So you should have to put it side that way. This way. Okay. So this is your open and
Unoccupied.
Yeah, open bed in unoccupied bed. Okay.
Open and unoccupied.
Now let's go to the closed bed. Dito ka mawak. Okay, spread. Dalawa. Okay. Okay, then fold a little. Kamay lang. Konti lang. Okay. So, pillow. This is your
Close bed.
bed. Close bed.
Unoccupied bed.
Now, let's go to the surgical. Surgical, as I told you, you will give. So, this is the door. So, this will be the space for your patient. So, wait lang. Half muna. Okay. Give me this way. This way. Give me this side. Hawakan mo yung triangle.
Triangle. ganun.
White triangle, so the patient will easily just. Okay. Yan o. Dapat level ha. Static. wrinkle-free environment. Okay. So, this is your surgical bed. There's one way how the half, the lengthwise, but I'm just showing you the triangular. Okay, so this is your surgical bed, open bed, and occupied bed. Now, let's go to occupied bed. Prepare the other set, fold the linens this way. Same thing that I did a while ago. Did you get it? Ano na, girl? Wala na. Gusto mo ba maging pasyente namin?
Pero mabigat.
Ano yan?
Hindi, wala mga ano, yung doon nakaupo, pero ay, magiging.
Ano ba kailangan mo?
Pa-evidence na ni mama.
Okay, who will be the patient? Ay, hindi. Kunin niyo yung manikin natin. Sayang yung pera natin na binili mo $1 million. Dali.